What's up, guys? How's it going? Back with another video. Me and Ty in the car, per usual. What time is it? 6:31. You know what time practice starts? 6:15. You know what time the game starts? 6:30.
Yep.
But you know why we're not tripping? I got injured. If you follow my Instagram, Matt, link up here or whatever. I'm trying to hit 3,000 followers. You know, I'm not really an Instagram guy, but I do post on my Instagram. Regardless of the fact, on my Instagram I posted that I've been out of commission. I tore my pectoral. I'll explain to you guys in a little bit what happened in a bit. But I'm out of commission. Pretty serious. How serious? 1 through 10.
Like a 9.
9. 9 serious. For your wishful thinking of me getting better, drop a sub, drop a like. Something. I don't know. Thoughts and prayers. But I am mentally. I know it looks like we're good all dandy and stuff, but you know, man, I miss bowling. I love bowling. That's what it is. And that's the cards that were dealt. That's what happened. Other than that, we still want to keep the content rolling. We are in front of the alley. The team is bowling. Ray's out. He's doing some game show thing in Germany or something like that. So across the seas, overseas. Some subs. E-Man's still in there. Tyler's in there. And Cliff's in there. We're gonna drop by, see what they're doing. We're gonna coach them a little bit, see if they follow what I say. I also asked them on Instagram. That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna do another double. I'm gonna double down. Right here, my Instagram. Follow. DM me if you have any questions and so on and so forth. But I asked earlier on my Instagram for a Q&A. I'm gonna answer a couple, a little bit. There's a good amount of questions in there. Some inappropriate, but I'm gonna answer the appropriate ones. And then we'll put you guys on the video, and, just to kind of entice you guys to for the next video if we have any other Q&As. But other than that, Ty, you have anything to say?
Dude, if I had laser eyes right now.
All right, Ty's on the spectrum. I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace.
You know what sounds good right now?
What? Oh.
You're not bowling.
I'm not bowling. Ty, you know we can't do that. I don't miss that at all. All right, obviously we're coaching the team right now. We got Cliff right here. Look at that. Picking up that split. Man, never mind. Get him out of the video. The boys are bowling. They got a sub for my team. So we'll see how it goes, but I'm gonna coach a little bit. Let's see if they listen to what I say. Obviously, I'm not entitled or licensed to even tell these guys what to do. For the video, we'll see what we can do. Regardless of the fact, I want to put a challenge on them. I want to have them guess if they struck based off sound alone, or if they can guess what they left based off the sound alone. So let's start with. Let's start with Bevan. Let's start with Bevan. Put the camera on Bevan. We're gonna start it on this motherfucker. He's coming right now. What was that?
Sounded light.
Strike or not?
It sounded light. I don't think it's a strike.
So what did he leave?
7.
No. Oh. Next. So obviously I came in a little late in a sense of like asking you guys to ask me some questions. Like I said, follow me on Instagram. So let's see what we'll answer a couple. Question number 1 from J Mags. He said, pointers for lefties, you guys have the least amount of transition. So your guys' transition in terms of moving right happens a lot less frequent than people who are right-handed. So my biggest pointer for you guys is strong ball, stay on your side, and transition a lot slower than everybody else. Unless your alley calls for something different. I'm assuming that if you have no lefties on your lane, keep your angles tight, keep it down and in, and you should be good. He's throwing right now. This is it.
Ooh, that sounded like it went high. 6'10"?
No, it's a strike.
That was a strike?
He tripped the 6.
Well, he went high.
He's walking, approach, throws now.
Oh, that's 10 back.
Ooh!
That's 10 back. That's 10 back for sure. That's 10 back for sure.
My guy! Oh, I'm going for E-Man now, so let's see if I can guess E-Man's shot. All right, question number 2. I should have stopped my bag from Ju.WAA_. Got a phase 2, a high road hybrid. High road hybrid? Timeout. Is that a whole ball? Hey,
Yeah, it's the original.
E-Man, high road hybrid.
How would I feel about
How old is that ball?
That's like fucking 20.
it? I don't even think that exists.
Original high road is a hybrid?
Yeah.
I think more than 10 years.
Wait, really? Dead? Seriously?
Because there was a Hyrule Pro, which is the purple one.
And the Black Widow, I know that one. I'd say this, Black Widow 2.0, I know it's a strong ball, but since being a Storm staffer, I'd say phase 2 all day. Start off with that motherfucker. So you can, because it is a benchmark ball for a lot of pros.
Yeah.
So start off with a phase 2, throw the Black Widow in the trash. But low-key, I like the colors. So low-key though, like, I don't know where it goes. And then the high road is obviously, so phase 2 first game, phase 2 could be second game, and then high road could be the last game for sure. Phase 2 for heavy oiled lanes, phase 2 for transition lanes, and then high road for burn. Am I tripping or no?
No, you got that spot on.
Okay, cool. It's basically like,
If you had the Black Widow, you start with the Black Widow, and then you go to the phase and the high road.
yeah. But for me, phase 2 all day, and then high road, whatever. That's 10 back. That's 10 back. That's 10 back. That's 10 back.
He hated it too. I missed like 5 right.
Was it flush though?
Oh, yeah.
Ah, that's 10 back. That was 10 back. Ah. Braden Williams 434. Earl, what is your average ball speed? I'd say it's around like
5 miles an hour.
okay.
Yeah, about 5.
No, it's okay.
A baby throws it back.
No, motherfucker. Okay, I'd say it's around like in these lanes because I like to slow roll because I like to get away from everybody else because the majority of my leagues are 10-man teams. When it comes to like slow rolling it, I would say that my average speed's around like 13, 14 miles an hour.
Yeah, I'll give you that.
And then if I'm like by myself, I'm doing like a more of like on the right side, down and in, and I don't care. I'm more of a speed dominant player. I'd say it's around like 15, 16. How about this? It's obviously I'm not playing today. If you strike on this next frame, I will tell Matt not to cut you off in any other video.
If I do strike.
Yes.
Okay.
Deal?
Deal.
Yes! Let's go! The content's still alive! Tyler's on a 6-bagger. I didn't want the mic on him, but hopefully that doesn't. I didn't tell him anything, so. Come on, that's not bad. Nothing happened. He doesn't know. Ty, that's not me, right? That was a 6 in a row. And it's been a while since Ty scored a 300, so. But he has scored a 300. We're not blaming that on me because he didn't know. And if you guys have some superstitious leave that in the comments down below. The reason why I stopped bowling, right? Also, pause real quick. Wait. Oh, there he is. Here I am. Yeah, 300 games. That's me. Anyways, so I have fucking 5 of them motherfuckers. On the real, I did injure myself. Oh, shit, it's wet. Oh, my asshole's wet. Holy f***.
Is that wet?
My asshole's wet. Me and Tyler were actually benching. What day was that? Thursday?
Last Wednesday?
Last Wednesday. No, like 2 Wednesdays ago. Me and Tyler are also friends outside of the channel, by the way. Fun fact. I love this guy, and I cherish him in my heart. Shout out to Tyler. Hey, Matt. Tyler, Instagram, right here. And then we were benching. And then it's like on our 4th set or whatever. I'm pushing up, and I hear literally this is what I visually feel like it looked like and sounded like it. Well, it sounded like this. And then it dropped. Tyler spotted me, obviously. It was only 225. We were warming up. It was like a 5x5. Yeah. I didn't warm up. Also, warm up. You can warm up and stretch. That's a big advocate now that I am old. But yeah, that's what happened. And then as soon as it happened, I was like, grabbed my titty. And I was like, oh, fuck, Ty, it's done. Like, it's done. Fast forward to today. This whole thing is bruised. Oh, you know what? Let me show him. Oh, now it's a little healed now. Is the light better?
Yeah.
So this is bruised, but it's bruised all the way up here. It's one of those things where like I could have bowled today because it is obviously my left hand, but you guys know that like when I bowl, I do this. Obviously, I can do this now, but I'd rather be safe than sorry and do it next week than this week, like today. Tearing the pectoral, we're good, but it's in the left hand. I still want to make content for you guys, so drop a like and drop a comment and sub for a speedy recovery. That's me farming, sorry. But let's hop back inside, and that's kind of what happened, so yeah. From 7 Lonnie 8, what do you think about string pins? Oh, motherfucker. What do I think about string pins? Here's the thing. String pins, I understand in terms of like, people don't understand that how much money bowling doesn't earn. I understand the need to keep bowling going, to keep string pins alive, is because it's cheaper. You don't gotta pay for those heavy ass machines. You don't gotta pay for oil machines. You gotta pay less for mechanics, so on and so forth. String pins in terms of like a league player or a professional player, I would say, f you. Carry's different. The pin action's different. It's either you get carry or you don't get carry. But when you do get carry, it's absurd. It's like an anomaly. What do you think of it? String pins.
I don't like them.
What do you think of string pins?
I hate them.
What do you think of string pins?
No.
In terms of a financial decision, I get it. So, yeah.
Are you looking through the eyes of a businessman or a bowler?
You need businessmen in order to keep bowling alive. Unless you guys like and subscribe and let me know. Since I'm out, we gotta bring in the ringers. And the house shot killer, we got Ariel. I've been bowling for like 10 plus years. You got me?
I got you. Right now I'm starting for Earl and Narrow. I'm trying my best to bowl the same as that guy. Alright, let's see what I can do. Well, I guess I messed up.
What are you doing?
You know what? I forgot I'm wearing my glasses. I didn't even know I was wearing my glasses, bro.
SpongeBob, we bowl for money.
All right, from insane underscore 5220. When's the next tournament? You guys will know. Follow me on the Instagram below.
I hate this guy, bro. He needs to shut the up, bro.
He's the one who's injured though, right?
Yeah, exactly. He just sit his ass down.
All right, last question from Natara Kristen. What's bigger, your bowling balls or your actual balls? My balls are bigger.
All right, boys. Week, I don't know what, but game 2 popped a nice 264, I think, last game, so trying to keep the momentum going. Standing at 26, looking at 17, and I haven't really moved much throughout the entire night, so. Maybe it's time. I kind of just jinxed myself and I said, oh, I haven't moved, and now I need to move.
I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Sorry, I'm not. That was. So we've decided to change our team name. Kevin broke his finger from jacking off. Ray got added to a game show in Belgium. Earl tried jacking off with his left arm and somehow broke his pec. We're team handicapped right now, so we got 2 subs.
But if you strike this,
If
you strike this,
okay.
If you miss, give me a shot.
But I'm ball changing, dude.
I don't give a f. But if you hit it,
You didn't even give me the bowling ball last
if
time.
you hit it,
Okay.
I'll kiss you.
Okay. Pucker up, no! Hey, miss me with, wait, ah! Oh, there's something over there, you gotta look. Sneak attack!
That's the end of the video. Thanks for liking, subscribing. Thanks for supporting us throughout this whole journey. Obviously, I'm hurt right now. I'll be back next week. So in next week's video, we'll be back better than ever, out here fucking, so we'll be good. I want to make sure that I can do this to make sure that I'm like stable, and you know, I don't want to like make it worse than it already is, because if I made that worse, then there's no more videos for the Pearl. Me and Ty Matt would be out of a job in the sense of like that. All we want to do is get that straightened out. But other than that, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'll be back and ready and ever. Peace.